The Go Rhino Dominator D1 is a perfect combination of step and rub rail protection with a 1-2 punch. The D1 steps in the Go Rhino Dominator line is a full-length step and rub rail combo. It's made from a steel tubing wrapped in a powder-coated finish to give more protection when off-road or on the highway. Take it through rain, snow, or water and the D1s will be just fine. The step has a wide step with a drop down that runs the entire length of the step. This makes them a great fit to get in and out of the cab of a lifted vehicle with no trouble. The drop step plate has a raised hex pattern to give more grip when stepping in slippery conditions. The mesh step is removable for easy cleaning or to give your ride a more rugged and off-road look. This combo of step and rub rail is a great team from the trail to the tarmac. The D1 Dominators can be purchased with just the steps or in a kit that includes the brackets as well. Installing these steps is easy. They mount to the OEM step and rock rail mounts and should take no more than an hour to complete. If you're interested in purchasing the Go Rhino Dominator D1 step or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.